A lot of athletes spend years perfecting their physical mechanics, the weightlifting, the drills, the cardio, only to hit a plateau that training harder cannot fix. What they're missing is a bridge between the conscious mind and subconscious execution. Sports hypnosis. It's not about losing control or sitting in a chair being told what to do. It's the most systematic, data-backed method we have for mental conditioning. We're talking about utilizing peer literature from the International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Hypnosis to rewire how your brain processes pressure. Over the next 30 days, we're going to be dissecting the science of how to regulate your nervous system and automate your performance. Today, your focus is singular. You need to identify one specific performance goal you want to achieve by day 30. We're going to treat this goal like an anchor. Every time we practice, we're going to feed your subconscious mind the exact outcome you're looking for. Take a deep breath. Let's define your target.